How to manage in-app notifications on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage in-app notifications on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch and then click this one here, this one, click on it, and now click this one, account settings, and then go to notifications, and now this one on mobile, click on it, and now until you just go down and you will find this one here. Just turn it off if you don't want in-app notifications, and if you want it, just click here, and as you see, in-app notification has been turned off. And that's how manage in-app notifications on Twitch. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.